Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back in Special Ops Airsoft in Roundwood Wicklow. The game mode is Rolling Assault and I've taken up a sneaky sniper position just outside the village to stop the enemy advance.
What hut did you get the oak into? That one there.
I decide to fall back behind the guardhouse, which is the enemy's final objective, and take a nice sneaky position with my NOVRITSCH SSC 18 in the bushes and brush right behind the guardhouse, and just wait for them to come to me.
Hit!
The next game mode is a bunker game, where the enemy team has acquired a piece of airsoft tech and we're advanced on their position to steal it back. Now that my team has the piece of airsoft tech, the enemy team are hunting us. So I take up a sneaky position in the bush just outside our respawn and wait for them to come. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, just give that old like button a smash. And if you want to see more content like this, just hit the subscribe, and I'll catch you again in the future.